Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to switch the multiple accounts on your Pinterest on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to switch the account on Pinterest? Just going to show in this video. For an example, you just added up two or more multiple accounts on the Pinterest. I just need to switch the account. Just do this. So first of all, just going to make step on the settings. Click on the three dot option if you are just using a contributor account, or click on the side to enter into the setting like this. Then just swipe down, you have the option called switch account. Click on this. Now here it shows the current account with the mail ID, and also shows the other two accounts. You can just click on the account that is, you can just easily switch. The second way is you just need to long press on your account. So if you just long press on it, you have the option on the home page to switch to the different accounts. It's so simple to switch to the different accounts while just clicking on it. It's loading, that's it. This is the way that you can easily switch the accounts on your Pinterest. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.